Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to tag someone on Facebook on your phone. So this will work for any mobile device, whether it's iPhone, Samsung. It's going to be the same process throughout whatever mobile device you have. So first of all, make sure you have the fully updated version of Facebook so this makes sense for you. But once you've got that, click on Facebook, open that up. So then first of all, I'm going to show you how to tag someone on like a post you've already made. So for example, I'm going to give you a picture I've already posted. I'm going to tag someone, so you're going to want to click in the bottom right hand corner to see like your profile, if you want to do this on like a previous post. So I'm going to go there, I'm going to scroll down to the picture here, so I'm going to click on it. So this is like when it's, let's say you want to tag someone on one of your previous pictures, you can click on it, look at the top left hand corner where that little tag icon is, click there, then you can click in the middle or wherever your friend's face is. Then you can type in their name. You can also type like a fan club's name, like a celebrity, whatever it is. You can type it in there, and then you can click done. So then once you've done that, you can do other people's tags. Let's say you've got multiple. But if not, you can just go out of that. Like you can refresh the page to see if it's actually worked. And then you can go on it, and then you can look at the bottom where it says with, and then it should be your friend's name, etc. If you see that, then it's done, and you're good to go. Now I'm going to give you an example of how to do it on like a post. So let's just type an example here, and then you want to click on the little face icon with a tag next to it, the little blue one in the right hand corner there in the middle of the page. And once you click that, you're going to want to click tag friends. So this is like where you're gonna like tag your friends like in like a post that you join together. For instance, like this is a new post with a picture. It's gonna be the same process. Type in your friend's name. I don't have it on this account, but you're gonna see a friend's name. Once you got that, click on your friend, and then click done in the top right hand corner. And once you've done that, that's the process over. It's really simple. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on one of the videos or links on screen to see more videos similar. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.